hundreds of thousands of determined people have made history over the past year. Thanks to all these people and a growing movement of up to 40 organizations and grassroots groups, the movement to ban fossil fuel advertising and sponsorships in Europe is bolder than ever. And we have achieved a lot. This summer of 2022, Finland's competition regulator said that adverts by fossil fuel company Fortum were greenwashing. The Austrian advertising watchdog ruled that Austrian airlines was misleading consumers about CO2 neutral flying. The city of Haarlem in the Netherlands is banning fossil and meat advertising. France introduced a week ban on fossil fuel advertisements, but it's the first step. British actress Emma Thompson published an opinion article calling for a fossil ad ban. 2 deceptive eco-friendly advertising campaigns from Shell and Land Rover were removed. Secretary General of the UN Antonio Guterres denounced publicly on Twitter the insidious role of fossil fuels advertising in undermining climate action. In May, the Dutch Labour and the Green Party called for a ban on fossil fuel advertising. In January, and after 2 years of mobilizing, Total Energies gave up their new R&D center in the heart of the Polytechnic University campus. More than 450 scientists call on PR and creative agencies to drop fossil fuel clients. The Dutch city Utrecht banned fossil fuel advertising in public spaces. And what about 2021? Amsterdam was the first city in Europe to ban fossil advertising. This inspired other Dutch municipalities like The Hague, Leiden, Haarlem and Enschede to do the same. In October, the Swedish Left Party proposed to investigate a fossil advertising ban in the parliament. In November, Spanish left-wing political party Más País presented an amendment to ban fossil advertising. In October, Google and YouTube banned advertisements promoting climate denial. At COP26, major fossil fuel sponsorships were banned. Now, the wave initiated in European streets and that you helped to grow with your action has reached the UK, Australia, Canada and the US. This wave is unstoppable. Tobacco advertisements were banned in the EU for being a threat to our health. The same will happen with the fossil ads. The only question is when. Stay tuned because the struggle doesn't end here. Something big is coming and we are going to need your help more than ever.